guys, welcome back to Seducing Mentors and welcome back to another podcast with Deepa ma'am. आप लोगों ने दीपा मैम को देखा होगा चैनल पे पहले भी when she was in Wellington Institute of Management, but now ma'am has moved. बहुत सारे बच्चों मैम आज भी ना बच्चे आपके वीडियो पे आके कमेंट मारते हैं कि मैम वेलिंगर के बारे में ये बता दो. But now ma'am has moved to there is a preschool called as SIS, based in Mumbai itself, and she's a director now. So ma'am, congratulations on that.
Thank you.
So I probably thought having a small video with ma'am because SIS is reputed in Mumbai and it is known for ROI by the way. But ma'am, even before we move to ROI, there is a lot of talk which is going on in the market now that हम बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे लगाते हैं MBA में, jobs नहीं मिलती है, बड़े-बड़े colleges में jobs नहीं आ रही है, B schools में jobs नहीं आ रही है, market खराब है, आपने news वगैरह में भी देखा होगा.
Yes.
So ma'am, I want to understand because you've got a decades of experience.
Right.
You have seen a lot of schools and students. Is MBA really worth in 2024?
It's going to be worth even in 2034.
Okay.
Okay. Except that we have to certainly re-look at what we are doing within the MBA and what we are doing along with the MBA program.
Okay.
So I think from an SIS perspective, it's a 27-year-old institute, by the way.
Okay.
And I'll tell you why I'm mentioning this. Way back in '96, this institute started pharma management program, PGDM in pharma management.
Okay.
Way back
Long
in
time back.
96.
तब तो pharma था भी नहीं मतलब मैम इतना.
Correct. So and today, if I look at the alumni who are there, in the industry, name any multinational, name any Indian organization in the pharma sector or any allied sector related to pharma, you will find an SIS clan of people at different levels, including leadership levels in these organizations.
Okay.
So I think the real crux is identifying what is of value to the student and what is going to be of value to industry and training people in that direction.
Okay.
So an MBA, and like a lot of people are saying, in its current form, if you're just going to offer it as a BMS plus version.
BMS plus
version.
Okay.
You have a BSc and then
that's right.
a plus version of that.
Right.
Certainly it's not going to be valuable. Today, 10 years back, there were lesser institutions offering a MBA program. Today, there are a whole lot of institutions. So obviously, the supply has increased. Now, demand will be there only if you are fulfilling on MBA plus something. And all the news that is there around us, and they're talking about Ivy League colleges also, where this challenge is there. These people are at the top of the pyramid, right? Now, if the demand has increased and people at the top of the pyramid are facing a challenge, the people in the middle and other institutions, also the ones in India, need to rethink what are we doing. So therefore, the type of people required has changed. So apart from offering what a typical MBA program offered, you have to offer something which is either domain specific or you're giving them some hands-on skills which could be in the area of technology or which could be in the area of human sciences. This is what is going to be a real differentiating factor.
Okay.
And 100% ROI will play a role. So now, let me put it in a different frame. Today we know, as on today when we are doing this video, the markets are a little tight.
Right.
What do you do when the markets are low? You're not going to buy shares which are pitched at the highest prices. You're going to pick up shares which are at, which have a good legacy, which have strength, and you will hold on to them. I think SIS is one such script.
Right.
Because my fees is for a PGDM program, say at 10 lakh, and for a 2-year program, and my average package is about 9 lakhs. This is for PGDM. And for my pharma and biotechnology program, the fees is about 8 lakhs, and my average package is around 8 lakhs.
Nice.
So what happens is you have to also, Ketan, understand one thing today. Most MBA students, after a few years, are doing a second MBA.
Yeah.
Right?
True that.
So why not do the first MBA at an institute which promises quality and which has proof of pudding,
right?
And you have your ROI in place, you're getting into a sector of your choice, and 5 years later, 6 years later, when you're ready and you need to pick up more skills, and when you have some of your own money, get into a second MBA. So I would
Right.
recommend that consider us if you're doing your first MBA, and whether you're a fresher or you have 1 or 1.5 years experience, this place is great to get your first job, which will get you into the right track.
So, I mean, well said, ma'am. I was just thinking, while you were talking, that I know SIS because I'm from Mumbai.
Okay.
A lot of people know about
Navi
SIS.
Mumbai.
Navi Mumbai.
Also, Coldplay got half of Mumbai to Navi Mumbai.
Yeah, true that. So we Mumbaikars know SIS के बारे में. We have a lot of information. We know how good is the brand.
Yeah.
I want you to tell students, because my audience is pan India level.
Okay.
Somebody from South India or maybe somebody from
Yes.
north side of the country is
Yes.
watching this video.
Right.
They want to understand that, how is SIS. So from that perspective, whatever you said, right, the, MBA plus, whatever things, now you are the director.
Right.
How you are changing this landscape and
Okay.
why SIS they should be preferring now.
Okay. See, I'm an educator first, so I can tell you some of the beautiful things I find about SIS as a management school campus. I think it's a business school for Bharat.
Okay.
And what do I mean by Bharat? I mean it's a business school where you find variety of people. My campus is situated in in a huge space in New Mumbai, where I also have my engineering college. I have a pharma college. I have an art science college. I have a college on environmental management. I have a school of packaging. And I also have, a school for Vedanta. So,
Okay.
where they learn Vedas, etc.
Nice.
So, and not too many people know this, but this campus also has a small old age home for people who have been teachers in the past. So when you
Okay.
enter the campus of SIES, there is a sense of community. There are people from different walks of life. There are people from different economic strata, different social strata of life. And I think that is truly representative of today's marketplace and today's community, and where, how India is. It's a mini India.
Okay.
And SIS campus also has got students originally coming from various different states.
Okay.
So the business school.
Okay.
Earlier we were known as CSCOMs, which most people know. And from 2020, the PGDM institution was rechristened as SIS SBS, which is School of Business Studies. So having said that, I can say the experience within SIS is when you walk in, it's not an isolated management or business school which is working within its own thought process and domain. You're in the middle of all the action that happens in the real world. So I think that was the biggest shift that I saw when I walked into SIS for the first time, and that got me excited, because that's the kind of environment we need to be giving students, which is real and authentic.
Right. So something that really attracted me towards SIS is the ROI.
Okay.
See, because I think there are a lot of good students out there in the market.
Yes.
Talent बहुत ज़्यादा है.
Right.
But कहीं ना कहीं उनको पता है कि यार I can't take loan.
हाँ.
मेरे पास 30 लाख नहीं है.
सही है.
है ना, मेरे पास उतना बजट नहीं है.
सही है.
So I think 9 lakhs, 10 lakhs is something that maximum Indian audience can afford.
बिल्कुल.
And that's where I think SIS has that sort of an advantage.
बिल्कुल.
So बहुत सारे हमारे बच्चे हैं ना जो देखते हैं कि 9-10 lakhs में अगर हमारा MBA हो रहा है,
Right.
then we are good to go ahead. So I wanted to tell them a little bit more about the placements also,
Okay.
if you are okay with that. Yes?
Absolutely.
Perfect. So I wanted to tell us about the placements. Number one, the fees. Number two, and what sort of campus is it? Is it a marketing campus? Is it a finance campus? Is it an HR campus?
Okay.
So please give us a little idea about that.
Okay. So I'll go with the easy peasy question first, which is the PGDM Pharma and Biotechnology. So we have a dedicated placement team for that. And there is, we have a faculty, Dr. Charna, who heads that particular initiative, and the entire pharma team. So their focus the entire year is, networking and getting people from industry, from pharma sector, from biotech sector, from consulting sector related to the sciences, analytics sectors, which are used for the skills of pharma and biotech students. So all the placements that happen in these programs are in this sector. So whether you take the name of any pharma company, you would find them recruiting from
But मैम
SIS.
फार्मा के लिए तो बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस है इंडिया में. How where do you place yourself? बॉम्बे में ब्रांडेड का भी स्कूल से.
In fact, मैं क्यों बोलूं, लिटरली आप कोई भी फार्मा सेक्टर में पूछ लीजिए, एंड यू टॉक टू द MD ऑफ दैट कंपनी एंड दे विल नो अबाउट SIS फार्मा.
अच्छा, बिकॉज़ लेगेसी है 20-25 साल का.
और वो लेगेसी को हमने मेंटेन करा हुआ है. दैट इज द ब्यूटी. So मुझे pharma sector से, for example, we recently had the convocation ceremony of our pharma program, and the CMD of your buyer was a pharma alumni. They are all just a call away. Absolutely.
It's a big brand.
Whether it is Bayer, whether it is Cipla, whether it is Sun Pharma, whether it is McLeod's, whether it is Aventis, I mean, you take any company, you would find an SISian over there for sure.
Okay.
And the best part is they repeatedly come and recruit from us, irrespective of other institutions who have also started programs in this. So from a quality point of view, I think that says a lot. And for a student, जब आपको 30 लाख देखे, see every sector का अपना एक bandwidth है for payments, salaries. So your banking and financial sector will pay you an X. Consulting will pay you Y. Manufacturing will not necessarily start the same average.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
So use that logic. I would tell the students, ये logic use कर लो.
Sensible है.
B Farm, pharmacy college company में you're getting a job. So it will range between something. I'm talking about the average. Highest की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, because there are a lot of other things that come into play. Sometimes it can be experience, sometimes it can be special positions. Let's take an average. So pharma companies and biotech companies का average तो एक band पे ही होगा.
सही बात है.
Right? So that might be in the average bandwidth of, you can say, about 8 to 11 lakhs. 8 to 10 lakhs. इससे ज़्यादा for a starting position, for a B.Pharm student who has or similar who has done management, generally नहीं होता है.
Okay, because industry उतना pay नहीं करता basically.
Industry का एक bandwidth होगा. Even if it is higher than this, you take whatever is your average which you are finding on Google. Right. Now to start at that point, you can either pay a 10 lakh fee or you can pay a 30 lakh fee.
Right.
आप खुद decide करो.
But मैम, follow up question on this. ये pharma का हो गया. PGDM, because I think more they are interested on PGDM front.
Of course.
So PG में हम कैसे हैं? How is the performance?
So PGDM we have 120 seats.
Good batch size.
Yeah.
Good batch size.
So it's a supple batch size.
Yeah.
And we have marketing, finance, HR and operations as a specialization.
Okay.
So when you have 120 students in your core PGDM, and the other program is 60 and 30, 90. My entire cohort is about 250 students, let's say.
Right.
So what happens is, I am then having the capacity and capability to excel in all specializations.
Okay.
So I am not forced that my marketing is very good, finance also, or nothing like that. Because my batch size is
small,
sharp.
Right.
The cohort is sharp. I'm able to focus on them. So the companies which come to recruit marketing people, we also have a Marico that recruits.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
There is a Marico that recruits. There's a Nestle that comes. There are
for marketing.
Yes.
And Asian Paint bhi hai.
Marketing. Marketing. Year on year, companies change. So with full disclaimer, please visit the website and the placement report.
No, actually, मैं back in our days ना 10 साल पहले एशियन पेंट का बहुत यहाँ पे बज़ हुआ करता था. And I remember that point in time में एशियन पेंट्स में हम 10 लाख देता था. तो हमारे लिए वो तो बहुत बड़ा अमाउंट हुआ करता था. That's how we know SIS, by the way.
Right.
Please ma'am, go ahead. So marketing looks good.
So marketing, you have very good brands that come in. Operations के लिए the other day we had DHL which is the global operations guys also came to recruit, and the India operations guys are also going to come. So if you pick up the brand names, you know, and for finance, all the BFSI companies, good ones, they are coming.
ICICI, HDFC, Axis.
HDFC has recruited from the campus. So SBI has recruited, SBI Insurance has recruited from the campus.
Nice.
So ऐसा कोई brand नहीं है which we are not able to attract. Okay, in the PGDM sector, of course, there might be various pay bands at which it may vary from campus to campus. But what I'm saying is, we are able to give you a good starting point at about, you know, I would say that even PG का 9 to 9.5 तक भी गया है, which is your average. So मतलब 60 students को you take them off, that you get. What about the lower 60? So it doesn't fall. That was my first question when I looked at my placement team. I said, I know average and above, it has gone up to 23 lakhs also, or 15 lakhs also, which is all very good. What about the ones who are below? How low have you fallen, you know? So there also it is not worse than 6 lakhs or 6.5. So अगर if I'm paying a fee of 10 lakhs and मेरा starting 7 lakh से हो रहा है, so fair enough. मतलब 1 year 3 months I'm off my debt.
True that, absolutely. मैम अभी डेट से मुझे याद है कि बहुत सारे बच्चे पूछते रहते हैं लोन्स के बारे में. Do you guys have, because there are a lot of banks, they do give loan, no doubt about that. But मुझे लगता है हर एक कॉलेज का ना एक अपना अपना बैंक के साथ टाई अप होता है जहाँ पे no questions asked लोन मिल जाता है. ऐसा ही इसके बारे में है मैम?
So we don't have a tie up with any bank, but banks have. I mean, there has been no student who has been refused or had any issues.
अच्छा, मतलब brand इतना strong है कि loan हो जाएगा बच्चों का if you try.
Yes, absolutely. And a good number of SIA students have taken bank loans. Some of them are servicing it themselves. Just last year, I mean the batch which is junior batch this year, almost 40% of my students have some amount of work experience, and quite a few of them are paying their own. Paying off some of their own loan from whatever money they did. So I think that's the attitude that I like about these students. That they have their
self-made kind of thing.
They have paved their path and they're putting their hard-earned money into their degree. So that attitude is going to be very different.
True that. Ma'am, now for the fact you were talking about the students and the courses, I really want to understand. This is a little bit tough question for you. I'm going to ask straight up. कैट हो गया है, जैट हो गया है.
I don't have option to skip, right?
No मैम. कैट हो गया, ये बच्चों के लिए है. कैट हो गया, जैट हो गया है. अभी सीमैट है 2-3 दिन में. उसके बाद सीईटी होगा महाराष्ट्र का.
Right.
So I want you to tell us क्या कट ऑफ होंगे and what you are looking at in the candidate अगर आप प्रोफाइल भी कंसीडर करने वाले हो तो, because I want them to be clear cut about things because they will be spending some money on the forms also.
Absolutely.
तो अगर कट ऑफ है, अगर उनका कैट जैट से कट ऑफ निकला है तो they can apply.
Okay.
But I want you to be honest about it कि कितना हमारे ये कट ऑफ का रेंज होगा और ये प्रोफाइल हम देख रहे हैं, then you should be able to apply or you should be applying something like that.
Okay. So I'm going to be very candid and honest, and you can end up thinking whatever from what I'm going to say, but then play this part again and think again. Today, when companies are recruiting, just go and watch the interview of anybody who's saying what are they looking for when they are looking to recruit MBAs. They are saying we want right attitude, we want willingness to learn, we want openness to understanding technology, and we want you to kind of at least be aware of the changes that are happening around you, because every company is going to require new set of things that people will have to learn, new businesses. So willingness, right attitude, communication skills, ability to work in team, these are the things which are topping the charts, and of course critical thinking, etc. What does the World Economic Forum say? Almost similar things. None of them said cut off. Why should I say cut off? So what we have decided at SIS is that since I am going to recruit a cohort of 240 odd students
for all the programs,
PG 120, Pharma 60 and 30 of biotechnology.
Right.
And anyway, even those institutions who have cut-offs, eventually the percentage of weightage given to that entrance exam, including the IIMs, ranges between 25 to 30%.
True that.
Right?
True that, yeah. Very good.
So, why should I let off some student from even getting a chance to be interviewed? So, what I've said is, let me look at a holistic selection process.
Okay.
As long as you have 50% in your graduation, which is the eligibility criteria of AICTE that you know, and you have given one of the entrance tests that you know,
whatever, CAT, ZAT.
Yeah, your CAT, ZAT, CMAT.
मैम मैथ वगैरह लेने वाले
ATMA.
अच्छा वो भी होगा.
ATMA we will take, and we'll take Maharashtra CET.
Okay.
You're taking that, and you know you are a graduate or you're in your final year of graduation. If you have this and you apply to SIES, you need to fill only one application form, and you can mark whatever number of programs.
Nice.
1 or 3. ऐसा अलग-अलग forms
That is good.
अपने.
Yeah, that's
And
gonna save
only-
their money,
and also only once. No again and again collecting money from students. So
I got it.
you just apply once, and if you have this, then you fill the apply form. You will be called for group discussion interview process.
Okay.
For sure.
Oh, is it? तो
Yes.
form भर दिया तो GD आना है.
बिल्कुल.
That's nice.
Because
Okay.
what I'm noticing is there are students जिनका बहुत अच्छा परसेंटाइल है.
हाँ.
उनको कैट में बुला के उनको GDPI में बुला के they don't make it.
Exactly.
Many of them.
Exactly.
ठीक है. और and that is having a weightage eventually of how much? 25%, 30%, 35%.
Right.
Even 40% लिया तो भी 60% तो you are taking from other things. So why not give them an opportunity to play that 60%?
And मैम इसके ऊपर ना just add on इस बार ना मैम तो हुआ भी है मैम इस बार में मार्केट में कि आप देखो ZAT बच्चों बच्चों ने अच्छा किया. ZAT का लेवल था कि मतलब डिफिकल्ट लगा बच्चों को, बट जब आंसर आ गया तो बच्चा बोला कि यार मैंने अच्छा करा पर मेरे को स्कोर कम आया. CAT is just a bad day कि उस दिन पे वो रिदम नहीं लगा. So that doesn't make these students bad actually. So I think having that percentile tag on students, we should not be defining their intellectual ability. तो I think वो होता है कि एक अच्छा स्टूडेंट कम परसेंटाइल में भी बी स्कूल में टॉप लिस्ट में लेके जाता है.
Yes, it's
I think
possible.
that's a good thing that
So
is
see,
done.
and if a student is genuinely good, if I'm giving them a chance for a holistic selection process, if somebody is really not sincere or you know, because it's application karo and I'll call you if they turn up and I call them, you know, the good students might feel, oh, what is the use of this percentile? No, it will be of use because there is some weightage for that as well. It's not that there's no weightage for that. But if that day was a bad day for you, like you know, Sachin bhi duck pe out hua hai, but he made his 100th century also, na.
Yeah.
So if you know that day was bad for you, I'm giving you another day. Play your game, and if you're really good, I think you will cross that mark, and that will be evident. But on that day again, if you do, तो फिर consistency will show eventually.
जहाँ तक मुझे पता है, मैं ऑनेस्टली कह रहा हूँ मैम के सामने, इंटरव्यूज आपके अच्छे खासे होंगे, देखना. आपको प्रॉपरली परखा जाएगा. और अगर ऐसा ये ज्वाइन करना है तो बेटा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी, बिकॉज मैम रीगर तो होगा बट आपका ही भला होगा उसमें. Anything you want to add on that, please?
Yeah, I also want to say that we are going to conduct only face-to-face GDPI. There's no online GDPI. And we are going to conduct it pan-India. So since you're pan-India, I'm appealing to students pan-India.
Nice.
We are going to conduct interviews in Delhi, Indore, Lucknow, Kolkata, Bangalore, Ahmedabad, Nagpur, and Mumbai. And if I missed anything, the site will tell you. But
Perfect.
I think that covers a lot of places.
So because even I am surprised कि आप इतनी जगह पे ऑफलाइन कर रहे हो. That's a really good thing.
See, you know, even if I, you know, get a good cohort applying from each of these places, I'm interested in identifying the real good bunch and looking at the holistic package.
Okay.
So it's okay. I mean, somebody might end up saying that, you know, but there might be a question, Ketan, that, you know, eventually the people with a higher percentile को extra credits मिलेंगे ना. So point ये है कि if you have worked hard in your 10th, 12th graduation, you can't blame that person for it. So don't think about all that. You just come and give your best. at the selection process, because what is done you can't erase, but you have a good 40% ground left.
Right. नहीं मैम होता है, even students who get really good high percentile, GDPI का weightage 40-45%
Yeah,
होता
yeah.
है, बच्चे लोग वहाँ पे actually अच्छा करके they move ahead.
Absolutely.
So I think if you do very well in GDP, I think you are sorted. Ma'am, lot of people they give CAT, ZAT,
Yeah.
NMAT, you know,
Yeah.
they're a little disappointed
Yeah. Oh.
क्योंकि हुआ नहीं हमारा अच्छा, पता नहीं हमें अच्छा B school मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा. So from a life perspective, you know,
Yeah.
आपने इतने सारे बच्चों को train किया है.
Yes.
What sort of, you know, maybe a line of a motivation or maybe any life advice you want to give it to them towards the end of this video?
Okay, so this is something I think I've told a lot of students in the past also, that CAT, ZAT, whatever these entrance exam are, they have their certain value. But Lambi Race Ka Ghoda, you want to be the person you know, who can run that marathon. Just winning that one entrance test on that day, and even boarding the best flight and sitting in
Business
first class is
yeah.
not going to make any difference if you're going to be a, you know, a docile person in that
Makes
place.
sense.
Uh, you need to know how to save your life and take that parachute when you have to. You need to know how to take the pilot seat when you have to, and you need to know when to be the quiet passenger. All this requires your engagement, and I will say that don't bother about all these tests. Ho gaya. If it was bad, it was bad for a lot of people.
Yeah.
It was good. It was good for a lot of people. Doesn't matter. Just get into it. And my recommendation would be, at least especially for this year. You know, a lot of times people push that, okay, this year nahi, I will do it next year.
वो next करते
If you're on that edge, no, I will recommend that this year try to crack it. Get into a business school. First get into one and then decide whether you want to take it. A lot of times students make this mistake, should I even try? I think that I would think is bad strategy. Get into it, keep the power in your hand, and then decide what you want to do. And focus on being that Lambi Race Ka Ghoda, and not just one test, one exam, and you know,
Perfect.
the first job.
Right. Thank you so very much, ma'am, for giving some time. Means a lot. And guys, best ROI and good quality education के लिए SIS should be on top of your list. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, Ketan. It was a pleasure.
Same here.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.